okay, I could say trying Russian chocolate for the first time, but it's not the first time I'm eating Alenka. Milk chocolate, really simple milk chocolate, but with a really interesting picture on the cover. And it's pretty good actually. It's, for the Romanians, this is like este ca ciocolata rom. Ciocolata rom și Alenka, almost the same thing. The chocolate rom, it's a Romanian chocolate, and the Alenka Russian chocolate has a similar rum flavor. So this is a bit milk chocolate with a bit of a rum flavor, made, can't really read that. Red October. It's the Red October square. It's the Red October factory. Can't read it here, but I could read it here. Krasny October. Изготовитель PAO, whatever that is. Krasny October. In Moscow, Russian Federation. Milk chocolate Alenka. It has a lot of E something that's not great, but I think 25% cacao, or I'm not sure. Don't really understand much here. The percentage of ingredients, I don't know what's I don't know how exactly they make it. They have some percentages here, but what matters is the taste. I had a few of these, but I ate them, and I wanted to show you also. If you find this and you have some Russian shop nearby, it's interesting to try the Alenka chocolate. So, okay, this is a bit broken because I was traveling with it. So let's see. Just simple milk chocolate. There is no Willy Wonka ticket in here, but there is aluminum foil, real aluminum foil, So if you turn it around, broken chocolate. That's the Alenka. Has this writing on it. It's really nice. Oh, look, I will show you a nice trick. Take the middle part. You can't even tell this piece is missing. Breaks easily. Milk chocolate. It will melt in your hands pretty quickly. So it's better to eat it faster. This is the last one. That's the last Alenka. Maybe it's not exactly like the Romanian rum chocolate. I think it doesn't really have the rum flavor. I was just thinking that it might have. It's really plain milk chocolate. They have multiple versions. They have different versions of this with different fillings, but I like the plain milk. Simple, nice and simple. I might eat the whole thing, so I better stop the video now. Thanks for watching.